Hello, I'm glad you decided to do this workshop. I'm just adding a few things into this video just to sort of point out some things for you concerning this painting. Now, it could be quite challenging for some of you because we're using lots of dark tones, very dark, very heavy pigments, but don't be intimidated by it. Just make sure you follow my stages, each lecture carefully, and you'll be fine. Also, please make sure that you do the practice areas that I give you. You'll have little places where you can practice a bit. Research is very important, and planning. You'll be able to have a go at each separate piece and learn how best to tackle it. This is a live art event, and that means that everything is recorded live, and as it happens, it's quite exciting. But it's also quite interesting because sometimes I make mistakes, but that's good for you because then you can see how I get round them. So you literally feel as if you're standing next to me in my studio, looking over my shoulder, as I chat with you very informally about what to do, how to do it, what's the best way. So take your time, go over it in your leisure. In fact, it's probably a good idea to just whiz through the whole thing first, get a feel for it, and then you'll be ready to get cracking. Take it steady, be kind to yourself, and most of all, enjoy it. And I really hope you will share some of your work with us.